しんちょう. We use it in school health checkups, in self-introductions, and when comparing with friends. 身長。学校の健康診断や自己紹介でよく使います。友達と比べるときにも言います。It is used as a noun. 身長 literally means a person's vertical size, their height or stature. 体の縦の長さのこと。人がどれだけ高いかを表します。The first kanji means body or oneself. You see it in shintai to talk about the body. It also appears in shishin for the place someone is from. Think of the physical self. The second kanji means long or leader. You see it in shacho and kocho for people in charge. It often describes length or someone at the top. Think long and leader. I am 160 centimeters tall. 私の身長は160センチです。私の身長は160センチです。My brother is tall. 兄は身長が高いです。兄は身長が高いです。Measure your height. 身長を測ります。身長を測ります。I've grown 3 centimeters taller since last year. 去年より身長が3センチ伸びました。去年より身長が3センチ伸びました。The most common synonym of the word is setake. Both refer to body height. Setake is casual or old-fashioned, while shinchou is the standard term for measurements and forms. The most common antonym of the word is taiju. Shinchou is how tall someone is, while taiju is how heavy they are.